Hi, this is Adriana, and tonight I just want to share about Vincent Ortega. He had a Facebook account for 15 years. He had 5,000 friends, 15,000 followers, and he used this account also for his business. And then Facebook took it down with no warning, no message, no call, nothing. And if you know anything about Vincent Ortega, you would know that he's all about sharing and all about giving value. So he created a digital marketing software that you can use to start building your email list right away. So you can join also this #1 social media network, and it's for internet marketing for professionals. So if you have a business or a product to sell, you can post it here. And this is the best social media to get leads, sales, and new customers. So you just need to enter your email right here. And then double check your email that you enter. And if after 30 seconds, you do not find the invitation from SalesVision, then check your spam or all other folders. And then you can start getting leads. Okay, so you will find the link down in the description. Just click on it and you'll find out more about SalesVision. Thank you for watching.